Hey everybody, this is Mr. Tamachko, and these are the editing instructions for the Inception project. First, we're going to begin by taking a picture of a landscape. It could have some architecture in it, like a building. It could also have some trees, but you do want to have some sky in the picture, and you want to have your horizon line to be about the midpoint of the picture. We're going to begin by right-clicking on the background layer and duplicating that layer. So we have two of the exact same picture. You can see they're facing the same way and everything is exact. We are going to flip the top picture by going to Edit, Transform, and Flip Horizontal. When we choose Flip Horizontal, it will invert the picture so it's facing in the other direction. Again, if I move that one, you'll see the bottom picture is facing one way and the top picture is facing the other way. Otherwise, they're exactly the same. I'm going to mask this top layer, and after I mask it, I'm going to hit Command T for transformation, and I'm going to rotate that picture. When I rotate it, I want to have my mouse outside the upper right-hand corner, so it's a double arrow. Not here on the corner, outside the corner. And if I hold down Shift, when I click and drag this layer, it'll rotate on increments that will allow me to get to 90 degrees exactly, which is right there. I can now go onto the picture with my solid black arrow, and I'm going to move this picture in the upper right-hand corner. So it's touching down there in the bottom and on the right. And then there's a little bit of extra picture that's up here that we can't see. Click OK to accept those changes. Now I'm going to turn off the background layer to make it a little bit easier to see. And I'm going to zoom in and grab my lasso tool. And with my lasso tool, I'm going to click right in the upper left-handmost corner that's visible here. And I'm going to make a line that goes past the lower right-handmost corner. Click, and then make a triangle that's essentially a little bit bigger than the picture. I'm going to fill in that triangle, that selection that I just made, with my paint bucket tool, set it to black, and click to eliminate that part of the picture. Command D to deselect, and then turn the background layer back on, and now we have the image kind of bending up like this. The last thing we want to do is we want to edit our levels and saturation. So we're going to add a levels adjustment layer to this picture. And we're going to work with our levels a little bit just to adjust the brightness and the saturation. We're going to adjust by going back to our adjustment layers and adding a hue and saturation layer and boosting our saturation a little bit. Well, that's pretty much it. We're going to save this file as a JPEG now that we're done editing, and we can upload it to Google Classroom. Remember, it's always last name, first name, project name, and then we're going to do JPEG for this. Put that right on the desktop, and we're good to go. Okay, hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions, always post them below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you.